Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel MathsGuru. Today we are going to discuss about the third type of solution of pair of linear equation in two variable. Previous classes we have discussed about the two types of or two methods of solution of pair of linear equation in two variable. আমি already দুটা টাইপৰ ওপৰত অৰ্থাৎ দুটা মেথডৰ ওপৰত আমি ডিসকাস কৰি আহিলো. So today we are going to discuss about the cross multiplication method. Okay. So let the pair of linear equation in two variables are a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. So these are the linear equation, pair of linear equation in two variables. So ekhini ami eneke patilom. First this is x, y, 1. ঠিক আছে? Then ekhini b1, b2 মানে coefficient of y, then constant term, then a1, a2, then again b1, b2. So now b1 c2 minus b2 c1 x divided by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 that is equal y divided by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 that is equal 1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Okay, যদি আমি a2 লগত a2 first and third যেটো আমাৰ ৰেশিও আছে হেতুৰা কম্পেয়াৰ কৰো সো এই b1 c2 minus b2 c1 যেটো আছে আমাৰ হেতু ইলে ক্রস হৈ গুছি যাব সো b1 c2 minus b2 c1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 হ'ব and যদি আমি second and third to আমি কম্পেয়াৰ কৰো আমাৰ কি হ'ব this c1 a2 minus c2 a1 will be go upward so এর উপর থাকিব আর divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 ঠিক আছে আমি জাস্ট এই বস্তুখিনি আমি মনত ৰাখিব লাগিব সো লেটস ডু সাম প্ৰবলেম যেটা তোমালোকে এই মেথডটো ভালদৰে বুজি পোৱা so from exercise 3.5 I have taken some problem question number 1 2 twice x plus y is equals to 5 and thrice x plus twice y equals to 8 solution given twice x plus y is equals to 5 that is twice x plus y plus minus 5 if plus 5 asle if gole minus 5 equal to 0 and thrice x plus twice y equals to 8 that is thrice x plus twice y plus minus 8 is equals to 0. So a1 is equals to 2 coefficient of x and b1 is equals to 1 that is coefficient of y and c1 is equals to minus 5 which is the constant term and from the second equation a2 is equals to 3 coefficient of x, b2 is equals to 2 coefficient of y and c2 is equals to minus 8 which is the constant term. So finding the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2 we can see that the ratio a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So আমি আগতে পাইছিলো যদি এই দুটা ইকুয়াল নহয় এটা কি বুলি কম আমি the pair of linear equation has unique solution মানে আমাৰ এনেকে দুটা লাইন এটা পয়েন্টত ইন্টারসেক্ট কৰিব ওকে সো আমি এটো ক্রস মাল্টিপ্লিকেশন মেথড আমি কেনে কৰিম চাও ফার্স্ট x y and 1 to এনেকে পাতিলাম দেন b1 b2 এটো c1 c2 a1 a2 again b1 b2 পাতিলাম ঠিক আছে তাৰপিছত আমি কি কৰিম x divided by 1 into minus 8 minus 2 into minus 5 okay and y that is equals to y divided by minus 5 into 3 minus minus 8 into 2 okay that is equals to 1 divided by 2 into 2 minus 3 into 1 okay so after calculation this x by minus 8 plus 10 that is equals to y by minus 15 plus 16 that is equals to 1 by 4 minus 3 that is x by 2 that is equals to y by 1 that is equals to 1 by 1. So comparing first and third ratios will get x by 2 is equals to 1 by 1 and second and third ratio y by 1 is equals to 1 by 1. From this we can say that x is equals to 2 and y equals to 1. So these are the solution of the required pair of linear equation in two variables okay so moving to the next problem x minus 3y minus 7 equals to 0 and thrice x minus thrice y minus 15 is equals to 0. These are the pair of linear equation in two variable. Okay, that is given. So x minus thrice y minus 7 equals to 0 and thrice x minus thrice y minus 15 equals to 0, which can be rewrite as x minus y minus 5 equals to 0. Ami 3 er jodi divide kori diu ami etu pam. Okay, so now a1 is equals to 1 from this equation. A1 is equals to 1, b1 is equals to minus 3 coefficient of y, and c1 is equals to minus 7. And from this equation a2 is equals to 1 coefficient of x, b2 is equals to minus 1 coefficient of y, and c2 is equals to minus 5. Then x, y, and 1 to many kapatilam. Then b1, b2 minus 3 minus 1. Then c1, c2 minus 7 minus 5, and a1, a2 1 comma 1, and this again b1, b2. Enike patilar pisot ami ki korim? Then x by minus 3 into minus 5 minus minus 1 into minus 7. Okay, that is equals to y by minus 7 into 1 minus minus 5 into 1, and that is equals to 1 by 1 into minus 1 minus 1 into minus 3. So I am prothomete pati lolu, tar pisot calculation kori ami ki pam, that is x by 15 minus 7, that is equals to y by minus 7 plus 5 equal to 1 by minus 1 plus 3. Ekhine ami calculation kori palo. Okay, so that is x by 8 is equals to y by minus 2, that is equals to 1 by 2. Again first and third ratio khine ami compare korilom. So x by 8 is equals to 1 by 2, or x equals to 4. And second and third, that is y by minus 2 is equals to 1 by 2, that is y equals to minus 1. So these are the solution of the pair of linear equation in two variable, that is x equals to 4 and y is equals to minus 1. So my dear students, I hope tumaloke video to bhalore buji paisa. Jodi tumaloকৰ কিবা ডাউট থাকে ভিডিওটো পজ কৰি আকৌবাৰ চাবা, তেতিয়া তোমালোকে ধুনিয়াকৈ বুজি পাবা। যদি ইয়াৰ পিছতো কিবা ডাউট থাকে তোমালোকে মোক কমেন্ট সেকশনত জয়েন দিবা। So moving to the next problem, question number 2, for which value of k will the following pair of linear equation have no solution? No solution means a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is not equals to c1 by c2. Okay, so these equations are given to us. Thrice x plus y is equals to 1 and 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 y is equals to twice k plus 1. Here a1 is equals to 3 from the first equation, and b1 is equals to 1 and c1 equals to minus 1, because plus 1 ase ifle gole minus 1 hobo, because it is in the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0. Okay, so from the second equation, this a2 is equals to twice k minus 1, b2 is equals to k minus 1, and c2 is equals to minus k minus 1. If twice k plus 1 asle, if minus k minus twice k minus 1. Okay, yes, tomorrow I already kolwe je since the pair of linear equation have no solution, a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is not equals to c1 by c2. That is putting the values of a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2. a1 by a2, this 3 by twice k minus 1, that is equals to 1 by k minus 1 is not equals to minus 1 by minus twice k minus 1. So since the first and second ratio are equal, so you can write 3 by twice k minus 1 is equals to 1 by k minus 1, or 3k minus 3 is equals to twice k minus 1. It ami cross korilu, 3 into k minus 1, that is 3k minus 3, that is equals to 2k minus 1 into 1, that is 2k minus 1. After simplify, k is equals to 2. ঠিক আছে, twice k to আমি ইফালে ললো minus 3 to ইফালে গলে plus 3 হৈ যাব। So that is k is equals to 2, which is the required value of k. Okay, so my dear students, তোমালোকে যদি ভিডিওটো ভাল পালা, then please like, comment, share and subscribe কৰিবলৈ নাপাহৰিবা। Okay, thank you, have a nice day.